Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I have another unbagging of a previously built kit by me. And this here is a Cuda Pro Street. It's a Johan kit. I have the instructions right here in my hand. And I'm trying to find the date on it. Look, you can tell that this has been folded over. This is here kind of yellowed. I don't know if you can see it on camera. And this is bright white. Let's see. Not a whole lot to this kit. Wow. Well, that's interesting. This isn't even, you know what, guys? This is not the instructions for this particular kit. Because this looks like it's a 73, 74 Cuda, and the instructions are for a 71 Cuda. So I apologize for that. As you can see, the double headlights only available on 71 Barracuda, Plymouth Cuda, and the square tail lights. So my bad on that one. Let me get the kit out of the bag. Oh, there it is. Look at there. I got 74 Cuda written right on the bag. This one here seemed to stay together pretty well. I spoke too soon. Tire came off. Metal axle. Always nice. It says there's a Hemi. Oh, it's a slant Hemi. Like the Slant 6, right? Yeah. I mean, I don't think it'll straighten up. I don't know if it's stuck in there. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's not really in there real well. It's not even a Hemi. It says, let's see what that says on there. I'm going to have to take the engine, well, you can't even see it, I'm sorry guys. I'm going to take the engine out. I'm going to see what it says on the valve cover right there. Can't make it out. The lettering is so tiny. Thunderbird. the license plate, yeah. The valve covers say Thunderbird on them. That's hysterical. So there's a mishmash of parts to make a engine for this yellow and blue and black. Looks like a big old bruise. Plymouth Barracuda with a custom front end. Regular, nothing fancy done on the back end there. For a 74 Cuda, looks like the exhaust dumps come through the bottom there. That's cool. Split tires again on the rear, and rubber in the front. And this fancy Chrysler Ford GM amalgamation there for a motor. The fancy yellow and blue hood. And that one there is just the way it is. And I'm going to leave it because holy crap, that's funny. So alrighty folks, that's a quick short one for you today. That is a 74 Plymouth Barracuda with a generic motor, we'll call it. That was built back in 74 or 5, I remember, if I remember correctly. And it's been in a bag for over 40 years, I guess. Back in the 80s I put these in the bag. And oh, here's some decals, but these decals were in the instructions of this one, so they would most likely go to this kit, not that one, because those have the decals on them that came with the kit, and those are just some fancy little graphics. So alrighty folks, appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.